In Stacking Up today, Alan Knuckman, a Bullseye Option, joins us with a couple of trades that he's watching, starting with FXE. This is an ETF. What is this tracking?
It tracks the euro currency. And you know me, I love beaten and battered sectors and stocks. So this is about risk reward. Now, the FXE has been trading between 112 and 104 for the last year and a half. Now, 108 is the midpoint pivot, and that's important because that's where we're at right now. And when we did have this Brexit nonsense, it held very solid. It only went down to 107, so there wasn't an extreme sell-off, and it's way, way above its lows.
So where do you think FXE is going from here? Will it have a bounce?
Well, I'm looking forward to bounce up to the upper edge of that channel, that 112 level. I'm looking to play with a January option. January option has 6 months of time. You can buy the 103 call. It hasn't been down to 103 in more than a decade. You can buy the 103 call for about $600, risk half of that, and be in good position for somewhat of a bounce in the fact that it didn't go low on that sell-off when it had that opportunity to do so. The path of least resistance is higher.
And for someone who does not want to put on an options play, what's the translation there?
Well, the translation here is to be risking it to maybe about 105 or 106, but I think it's got more upside potential than downside because, like I said, it had every opportunity to get crushed, and it did not.
Another stock Alan is playing is Shake Shack. Interesting play. What do you see? You know, burgers are big. Food is just great right now.
Right, but this is a stock that this was all shiny, and everybody loved this stock. You remember when the IPO came out?
I do.
It moved all the way to 100. Now, it's been a little bit tarnished. It's been going nowhere, long forgotten about. It's been trading between 30 and 40 for 7 months. Now that targets a breakout to 50. 50 is also the midpoint of the action for the course of the year. So, you know, you got to remember in August it was just at 75. I think there's some value here. I think someone, you know, could come in and take advantage of these low prices in Shake Shack. McDonald's has been rumored. Who knows what could happen in that? But, you know, it's a risk reward play again. You know, the upside is at 50 and the downside is at 30.
Do we get fries with this play?